Alright, here's a computer table made by Tracy. She told me what she wanted, and I figured out a way to make it. She wanted a shelf with a back on it. Wanted a drawer. Nice deep drawer. And a nice deep shelf with a back on it. She also wanted this top. It slides up. So she could pull it to her, eat off of it. Let's see. There it comes right out. Merry Christmas, sweetie.